Today we're unboxing the Seiko Astron HAB003J1, a GPS solar watch that combines advanced technology with everyday wearability. Inside the box, you'll find the watch, warranty card, and documentation. As always, we provide a full 3-year international warranty. Taking a closer look at the dial, the gold accents give the watch a sporty and premium appearance. With 100 meters of water resistance, it's as practical as it is stylish. And when the lume lights up, the hands and indexes remain easy to read, even in low-light conditions. Personally, I think this is a great modern Astron. Would you add the HAB003J1 to your collection? Let me know in the comments below.